Making someone else happy is one of the best feelings. Have a wonderful day to all. Now we shall see about logical operations, calculations using other logo commands, label command. As you know that logo can help you to solve your mathematical problems like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and remainder. Let's review how logical operations can be done in logo. For this, you have to type the sign of equal, greater than, less than in between the numbers to be logical operations. The logical type represents true or false states using the number 1 and 0. In logo, we perform logical operations to determine whether one of the number or expression is equal to the other, greater than the other, less than the other. For example, type PR, then type any one number, then type any one symbol. Greater than or less than any one symbol, then type another one number. Result is false because as I have typed 56 greater than 100, this statement is wrong. So I have got the result as false. Next I am typing 56 less than 100. All of you know that this is correct statement, isn't it? This time I got result as true. By those examples, we realized that according to the instructions, we will get true or false states. One more example is used to sign off equal. As you type PR 1000 equal 1000, you will get true state. Because this is correct statement, isn't it? 1000 equal to 1000, correct statement. So you got true as a result. But if you type 100 equal 1000, you will get the result as false. Next, calculations using other logo commands. Commonly, FD, BK or TLT commands are used to move the turtle in all the directions on the screen. Now let's see how turtle moves by add the two given numbers. Instead of giving one number, if you give two numbers with plus symbol using forward command, move the turtle in forward direction by the result obtained. As in this example, the number will be added first and then turtle will move forward by 154 units. Logo can also subtract numbers by this method. This will subtract the two given numbers and turn the turtle in the right direction by the result obtained. In this example, the turtle will turn right at 45 degrees. Because I giving 90 minus 45. 90 minus 45 is equal to 45. So the turtle turned the right side at 45 degrees. Next, what about the label command? The label command in logo prints the output in the direction of the turtle's head in the commander window. Let's see how this command works. So instead of PR, here you type label, L-A-B-E-L, label, then type two numbers with symbol, 39 plus 2000. 39 plus 2000 will be 2039. So you can see the number of 2039 in the direction of the turtle's head in the commander window. So label command is used to show the numbers in the direction of the turtle's head. One more example, RT120 label 50 multiplication 90. RT120 is used to turn the turtle right side at 120 degrees. Then label 50 multiplication 90 result will be printed in the direction of turtle's head. If you make any mistake as you type command, you will get the message immediately. I don't know how to label. Then you can retype correct command in the command input box. Now I am typing label 50 multiplication 100. 5000 is displaying in the direction of turtle's head. Now let's see how to move the turtle 100 steps forward with corresponding number. For example, if you type FD 100 and label 100, the turtle moves 100 steps forward at the same time. The number of 100 is displaying in the direction of turtle's head. Already I have typed FD 100, label 100 in one line. Also have to type FD 100, label 100 in separate line. For example, If you type FT50 simply, turtle moves 50 steps forward, but we cannot see any number on the turtle's head. Then if you type label 500 or any one number, that particular number is displaying in the turtle's head. If you want to clear the main window, just type CS command in the command input box. If you want to clear the commenter window, just type CT command. So CS command is used to clear the main screen. CT command is used to clear the text in the commenter window. Next, to close the logo screen. Logo screen is divided into two parts, main window, commenter window. Main window has 3 buttons, minimize, maximize, close button. Commenter window also has 3 buttons, minimize, maximize, close button. So if you want to close commenter window only, we can close the commenter window by using the close button. Main window also in the same way. Instead of using close button, we can close both windows by using commands. Yes, command is there. BYE boy. So if you type BYE boy in the command input box, the logo screen will be closed fully from the screen. Students, I hope you have understood today's topic. If you have any doubt, you are always welcome to ask me. Thank you, children. God bless you. Have a good day.